Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and in this video I will show you how to use CSV2QIF utility. You can download CSV2QIF at propersoft.net/products/CSV2QIF. Click the download button and then select Windows or Mac OS version to download. Once downloaded and installed, start CSV2QIF. Read the welcome message as it provides important details about the conversion process. Select a file with transactions that you would like to convert. It could be CSV or Excel file for a bank or credit card statement downloaded from online banking. Review transactions before converting. Make sure dates are correct, expenses are negative, and payments to the account are positive. Set the account type, and depending on the QIF target, set the account name as you have in Quicken or other personal finance or accounting software. When you convert from multiple accounts, make sure to adjust account type and account name when you start working on another account. QIF Target is important to set, matching your accounting software, as the converter will create the QIF version compatible with your software. There are some other settings discussed in another video. I would skip this for now as you need them only in specific situations and you know when you need to change these settings. Set the Open After Save checkbox if you would like the software installed on your computer to open created QIF file. If you have Quicken installed, it would be Quicken to open this QIF file. For this video, we will not use Open After Save checkbox. We will just create the file and then use Quicken to manually import QIF file. The QIF file is created always, either you set this checkbox or not. In case the checkbox is set, the converter creates the QIF file and then calls the software in your system that works with QIF files to open this QIF file and import it. Click the Convert button and confirm the file name and the file location. To import created QIF file in Quicken, click File, File Import, QIF file. Select Created QIF file. And then for Quicken 2018 or later, you have to select account where you want to import the QIF file. For Quicken 2017 or earlier, you have to enter the account name in CSV2QIF. And then here you have to use all accounts. As you can see, the file was imported, transactions are inside Quicken. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe.